Here's how to add a new member to WIX and assign them to a role. And that way VoiceZam can have access to and work on your site in a safe situation. So it's real easy. You click on settings right down here. That'll take you to this screen. The next thing you want to do is click on roles and permission. And so I currently only have one member here. We're going to add a new one. So we're going to invite somebody. And what you would do is put our email address or my email address at voicezam.com. And so it says I'm already invited. So you would enter this email address, come down here, select website manager, and then send an invite. And so what that will do will send me an invite. I can log in and edit your site. Hope that helps. Let me know if you need more help. Thanks.